Hi, today I want to talk about how I install Linux deploy in partition size. I install Linux deploy on a ext4 formatted SD card. So I have downloaded Linux deploy on Google Play Store and I open Hamburger setting. I choose the distribution, the architecture, and in installation type I select partition. After that I take a 16 gigabyte SD card. I put it on my computer with the adapter and I formatted it ext4 like I show in a previous video on my channel. So after that I re-put it in my tablet and tablet say SD card Samsung not supported, but I don't care. So I go to terminal we go to terminal and do that ls device lock. With this command you can see partition on your tablet or phone on your Android. In my case, the exactly partition for install Linux deploy was that install type partition and install path was mmcblk1p1. This, I suppose. You have to do various try for identify your partition. So mine was that. File system ext4 and I add the mount point on Android for share file between my tablet and Linux image. So I have enabled mount point and I select the directory of the mount point. Doing that, I'm going to File Explorer and I'm going to select the directory. I create a folder called mount. So I choose properties and I choose copy full path. And I've passed the path of my mount directory in in mount point. I have passed this directory here. After selecting all the other things like pulse audio enable and graphic subsystem and my distribution is LXDA. So after that I go in this to do this and press install. After the installing is full completed, I press start and OK. And I have installed VNC Viewer 2. Open VNC Viewer, press OK. And now I'm going to show you that I have 16 gigabytes of space completely for my Linux distros. Here, free space 13 gigabyte, total 14.7 gigabyte. So I show you amount of points, and it's in storage, and we find our folder called mount, and you can share file with Android with that, with the root permission. So that's it. Have fun with your Linux distros and all the space you want.